Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this really cute Christmas card. This card completes the ensemble. If you missed these videos, I posted them on my blog, and I'll have the link listed below for you to check those out. Okay, so let me show you how the card opens up. So this is the flap, and it tucks underneath this little elf over here, just like that, to hold it shut. Look how cute. So it has lots of places to put these cute little Santas and elves, and even the North Pole on this really cute fun fold. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start with the base. The crumb cake is cut at 6.5 by 5.5, and we're going to score this piece together. And then this piece of crumb cake is cut at 2 3/4 by 3 1/4. Then you're going to need early espresso. This piece is cut at 2 by 5 1/4. This piece is cut at 2.5 by 2.5. And then the Santa's Workshop designer paper. This piece is cut at 1 3/4 by 5. And then this piece is cut at 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. And then for the Whisper White piece, for the inside of the card, this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So we're going to go ahead and do some stamping first. Okay, so we're going to stamp on a piece of Whisper White. We're going to grab our Memento ink. And I'm going to stamp the two elves, and this is the stamp set we're using. It's called Signs of Santa. This also comes in a bundle with the Santa's Signpost, and you can buy them together and save 10%. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stamp the elves. I'm just going to color these in really quick to show you how I did it. Okay. So here are the blends that I'm using, the Stampin' blends. I'm using the Granny Apple Green in the combo, the Poppy Parade in the dark, Ivory, and then the Mango Melody. I'm going to use the Granny Apple Green first. I'm going to use the dark. Just going to go ahead and color in the two elves. This one's going to be with Granny Apple Green. This one's going to be with the Poppy Parade. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, now we're going to grab the big shot. Okay, so we're going to cut out the Poppy Parade version of the little elf. And there's a framelit that cuts him out. So cute. So we're going to line that up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and run that through. Okay, and then this one I'm going to use the 1.5 inch circle punch. I'm going to punch that out. And then we're going to take our crumb cake and we're going to use the layering circles. We're going to cut out the scallop here. This layer's over top of this circle, really cute. So we're just going to cut out crumb cake circle with the scallops. Okay. Alright, so that's all the big shots. Let's go ahead and move that. Alright, so we're going to grab our Stampin' trimmer. We're going to do some scoring. So on the first piece, we're going to score on the 6.5 inch side. We're going to score it at 4 1/4. This is going to make your face of your card, just like that. And then your panel that flaps over, this is the 2 3/4 by 3 1/4 inch piece. So on the 3 1/4 inch side, across the top, we're going to score this at 2 3/4. So your finished square should measure 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. All right, so that's all the trimmer. Okay, now we're going to do some sponging. We're going to use the Crumb Cake Classic ink, and I have my stamping sponge. So we're going to sponge all the crumb cake pieces. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put these layers together. Let me grab my snail. Okay, so this piece is going to go on here, and then this is going to go on the side panel over here. So let's add those. Okay, so for the inside piece, for the wishing you everything on your list and more, I went ahead and pre-stamped that. So we're just going to go ahead and put this into the card right here. Before we put this inside the card, we're going to put some snail on the back side of our panel. So we're going to put this onto the flap, and I'm going to put it right about there. Looks good. And then I'm also going to put more snail back here. Then we're going to go ahead and set this inside of the card. You could also sponge this edge if you wanted to on the Whisper White. It's totally optional. Okay, so then this is going to be your flap over, just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and put our pieces together with the elf and the scallop. Okay, and then this is going to be positioned up here at the top to hold that flap shut. Alright, so let me grab all my little pieces that I've already pre-cut. Here's the elf we die cut, and then here's the Santa, and then the North Pole, and then all the little snowflakes. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and pop all these images up on Dimensionals. And then with this being a stopper, so the corner, the bottom right corner, so we're going to put our dimensional up in the top left. So you'll be able to tuck this flap underneath there, just like that. All right, then we're going to add our little snowflakes. I'm just going to add some snail, and then on a couple of them I'll add the dimensionals. Okay, then the inside, I'm going to pop this up on I'm going to pop this one up on a Dimensionals. Well, I'm going to put this one on the inside flap. So cute. And then this one I put a little mini dimensional on. Put that right there. And I'm going to put a little snowflake. Just like that. And then the North Pole is going to get stuck over here with more dimensionals. Okay, so we're going to put this one right over here. And then I have a little snowflake. Let's put one over there. Just like that. So cute. So I'm going to be using the fine tip glue, and I'm going to apply the glue to the hat and to the beard and the mustache of the Santa, and then the hats to the elves. So pretty and sparkly. Okay, so I don't want to close this one now, so let me show you the other one again. Okay, so here's the finished one. So cute. And then here's the candy cane holder, and then also the Christmas candy holder. And I'll have the link to both of those videos down below, all right? So I have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.